Crap.
Where is he
No,
at?
just spawn. Just spawn. I just killed him. Oh, there he is.
Smile.
Kill him, Noah. Kill him. Kill
Oh,
him.
don't worry. He'll die.
Yeah.
Stop. I'm just going crazy on
Oh, what's up? How'd you get this much ammo?
Every time I click on it, because it does something. Okay, that's enough. Surprisingly, it's still
Every time I keep on clicking on it, it just spawns me another gun.
I'm pretty sure there was a last one. Okay, now where's everybody at? I feel really bad. Not really. Okay, now we're gonna have a pistol battle, okay? Everyone pull out your SW model. Screw these.
Yeah, wait,
Pull out
what?
your SW model 500, and we're gonna go down into the really dark place where me and Jacob played.
Alright.
Andrew, where are you at? Please be someone else.
I can't
besides
spawn because someone killed me.
Stop. Okay, I guess we can. We
He
can't have
spawned.
BMO.
He has a gray screen. Yeah, you can't have BMO. You're too small. You have to be a regular person.
Too small.
Second.
Look at his arms. Can we like pick him up? Hey, does that work for the guns actually?
I think.
Wait.
Dude, stop.
I'm trying to see how much damage I do. Okay.
Why aren't you spawning, Andrew?
Yes, you keep on killing me.
Alright, well, I stopped killing you. I swear.
I'm
You just
doing that
need.
to give you full health. That's the only.
Really?
Reason. Yeah. Okay. Hey. Oh, I said we were doing. Okay, never mind. We do that.
Be someone like a human that we can actually shoot. Cause we're doing a pistol battle.
Yeah, I'm trying
Oh my god,
to-
I have 1,000 ammo. You're still BMO!
I know, because you didn't give me time.
All you have to do is hold C, stupid!
I know, but y'all kill me in advance and then I die.
Andrew,
Okay,
you can
okay.
change your player model when you're dead.
I know that.
I won't kill you. Okay,
It's
just
already
tell me when
spawning
you're
me, so
done.
I'm lagging.
Just tell me when you're done. Whoa, what the
Change your
crap?
player model.
Dude, he's floating.
Change
Okay,
it. Change it.
Look on his screen.
It's all gray. Why aren't you changing it?
I'm trying to, I'm pressing C.
You have to hold down C, imbecile.
God dang it. Look, when I'm crouched, I'm not even as Hey, Andrew, you wanna make BMO babies? Why are you looking at us?
Really? Are you serious? I have 4,000 ammo.
That's not right. Sorry, dude, stop. I have 100,000. You killed me.
I know how I felt. Gosh. What?
Okay.
Pistol. You go to your weapons and you go to your M9K pistols. No, this one.
Where's he at? Hi, Yoda. You wanna get molested?
I'm lagging.
Yeah, he's lagging like crap.
Okay, well, take him over. Jacob, take him over there. Okay, where we played hide and go. Let's do it in the ocean, please.
Stop it, Andrew, stop.
Please stop.
Hey, down here. Okay, ready? Where was it at? Oh. Okay, Andrew, come here. I'm gonna show you this Easter. Andrew! Okay, come here, ready?
Gotcha, bitch!
What the heck is that?
It's nothing. Don't worry about it. Oh, they're retarded. Don't touch them. Don't touch them. Look what you just did. Trying to return your brother. There. God dang it, I hate this. You can actually kill him. You have to just, like, shoot him more.
Wait, why is there a stalker right there? Oh my gosh, no, I thought we were,
No, have Andrew walk in here. Hey, guys. Hey, guys. Ow, stop. Where Andrew at? Andrew.
Get back in here. Andrew, don't you dare.
Andrew, come on in, man. Walk on in the building. Stop. Don't kill him. Don't kill anymore.
No, I want to kill. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
They're your friends, Andrew.
Hey!
Andrew, do you have what it takes to join my elite sniping clan?
This isn't even a ceiling.
Andrew, can you join my elite sniping clan?
Ah! They're raping me!
Are you hardcore enough to join my sniping clan, Noah? 360! Intervention, yes. More like a rapid fire one that I can just like spray and pray.
Jacob, RPG this sucker.
RPG it?
Yeah.
RPG it?
The turret, yeah, the turret. Okay, that's... Keep shooting.
What the heck?
Why'd you kill all of my friends?
Screw you!
These were my friends! Why did you kill my friends?
I was gonna snipe him to death.
Where's Andrew at?
Stop it! Back, Osama. No one likes you.
I'm gonna summon our pedo bear too. Give me a second.
Noah.
Dude, watch him kill like all of us. Oh my god, they just raped Osama. Nope, nope, nope. God dang it. Why?
Andrew, what are you doing?
Well, let's see if Pedo Bear will come rape Andrew. Go rape
He already did.
Where's he going? Oh crap, he raped the other side. God, you're gay as crap.
No nukes, Andrew.
Bruh.
No nukes. Nukes
Wait, look. Quick scope.
Bullet to the face, no. What kind of sound was that? It goes bang. I freaking hate him.
You can't join my elite sniping clan. Bashmala.
Ashmala.
No, stop flying. That's cheating.
Splashy, splashy.
Andrew, stop.
Shh, I'll get him.
Andrew.
I'll get him.
Andrew, stop, you little.
Where's he at? Where's he at?
Flying.
Andrew, you can't do that. Andrew, darling. See him midair flying. No flying! Look. Faster.
What do you want, Julia?
Vagina. Only does.
It's a panda. It's nice.
Get him, Pedo Bear.
That wasn't me. Noah told you.
No. Get him.
Where are you at, Noah? We have to team up on them. I'm not gonna kill you, but where are you at?
Why me?
Because you're white.
No, where are you at?
I'm over here on this giant hill.
Oh, I see you. Alright.
God, you suck. I'm using a pistol sniper rifle #1.
Got him.
Nice. Hey, that's me.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Andrew, you can't do weapons while you're dead. Oh, you better not do that. He's getting the nuke. Kill him.
God.
Yes!
You grabbed the left spawn. God, it. I missed. Good job. Stop, God dang it!
Got him.
Where are you? Oh, I see. I'm coming up there with you, man. And she's like, oh no.
Frank.
And initiation.
Run! Freaking respawn.
Way ahead of it, Jacob.
Where's he at?
Who cares?
Go!
Spam him!
He's Bevo!
Wow.
God, I didn't mean that in. Oh man, I had 69.
Andrew, no, Andrew. If you're underground, that won't work. Aha, he's lagging. This is our chance, Noah.
Gotcha.
Nice.
Said deadlift. Catch again. God dang it, no.
Andrew, you want to turn around? Andrew, stop flying!
Whatever. You're not freaking.
It's because we're trying to nuke us. Why the flip are you Beamo? No one can see you.
Come here, pedo bear. God dang it, y'all are annoying. Okay, Jacob, you get sniper. I got shotgun.
Alright, I got the sniper.
Fudge.
I get sniper.
God dang it. That's what you get when you let gays live.
Alright, I got sniper. Andrew! Tron is your new leader!
Oh god, vaginas. Where's he at? Can't even freaking see. That's how gay this is. Freaking stop.
Surprise, motherfucker.
I'm trying to check out. That's me.
Good!
You get him from higher ground. I'll get him from same
Alright,
level.
I got higher ground.
You have to be someone besides this. This is our training.
No, get the shotgun. The good shotgun. And then you get it from lower ground, I'll get it from higher ground.
I know where your vagina lives. My son's
Andrew, stop flying!
Oh, whatever.
We're not flying, we're staying in place.
And how did you get up there, huh?
I flew up here,
Exactly.
but I'm not flying continuously.
Okay, maybe I want to get up here.
Prize, nigga. God dang it.
Get with the OP shotgun, OP shotgun, OP shotgun,
Flip, you're in
nice.
the freaking off the ground.
Higher ground with this
Why
one.
not me?
God, I love being host.
What do we do?
He's in.
You won't have time.
Oh my god, where's the OP shotgun at?
Videos. You have it?
God, this is so OP. This movie. Change
He's
into
upside
someone
down.
besides Beamo. Andrew, are you okay, man?
Andrew, are you okay?
Turn that frown upside down. Oh, dude,
Ow.
there was a hand coming out of your penis. Like, I'm not even like.
Maybe that was in a hand.
God dang.
Oh,
Oh,
what is this?
Who's this error guy over here? No
What
poking.
is this?
See, Andrew, that's an okay guy. Whoa, whoa, wait, no, wait, stop, don't kill us, don't kill us. Andrew, look at the gun. Not Andrew.
Where's Andrew at?
Andrew,
Oh, no.
come look.
Oh,
come
you
look
have
at
to plug
Jake.
it in. Your computer's about to fail. That might be why you were lagging so much.
Oh my god, wait a second, wait a second. What gun are you using?
The OP shotgun.
It's coming out of your nuts. Stop, stop. Stop using OP,
Wait.
stop.
This way.
Just
Alright.
wait a second.
Do you have the OP shotgun equipped?
No, here, I'll get it equipped.
Equipped it. I want to see how it looks.
It looks weird as crap.
It's coming out of your nuts too. There's like arms in your legs
Yeah, I see.
holding it.
Okay, no more OP,
yeah.
because that's just like